Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Alison.edu easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.alison.edu and press enter. Wait for the Alison website to fully load. On the top right corner, locate the login button. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. If you want the site to remember your login, check the Remember Me box. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the page to refresh. If your details are correct, you will be logged into your account. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. Double-check that you entered your email and password correctly. Once logged in, you can access your courses and explore the resources available. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into Alison.edu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.